Welcome to our roundup of the best budget 3D printers for all your creative projects. Whether you're a beginner looking to explore 3D printing or an experienced maker seeking an affordable upgrade, we've handpicked top models known for their excellent print quality, reliability, and user-friendly features. We'll highlight each printer's key specifications, from precision and build volume to ease of setup and material compatibility. Be sure to check the description box below for the best deals. Let's jump in and find the perfect 3D printer for you. The first one on our list is the Elgu Neptune 4 Pro. If you're a beginner or even slightly familiar with 3D printing, this one's perfect for getting started with its impressive speed and straightforward setup. What sets it apart is its lightning-fast printing speed of 500 mm per second, which is rare to find in budget printers. It runs on Clipper firmware with a powerful processor, letting it print super fast, which saves a ton of time on projects. Plus, it's built for precision. Both the X and Y axes have sturdy metal guide rails and U-shaped wheels, which cut down on friction and boost accuracy. This means your prints come out smooth and detailed every time. One of its coolest features is its segmented heating zones. The printer has two separate heating areas that adjust based on the size of your model. It heats up only the parts it needs, which saves energy and makes heating faster, which makes it perfect if you're working on lots of prints. Plus, the direct drive extruder has a strong dual gear system, which keeps the filament flowing smoothly without clogs. With a nozzle that heats up to 300 degrees Celsius, it can handle different materials like PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and nylon. And for setup, it has 121-point auto leveling, which saves time. Plus, it has strong cooling fans to keep your prints from warping, helping them come out cleaner and sharper. Overall, I think the Elgu Neptune 4 Pro is a great budget choice. The manual leveling takes a little practice, but its powerful extruder and high-temp nozzle make it reliable for quality prints at an affordable price. Second on my list is the Ankor M5C 3D printer. It's a great choice if you want fast printing that's easy to manage from your phone. What stands out here is its PowerBoost 2.0 technology, which lets it print at a really fast 500 mm per second without losing quality. So you can complete your projects quicker and still get good results. Plus, with the PowerBoost and Ultra Direct Extruder, it keeps prints accurate to 0.1 mm. This way, even at high speeds, you still get precise, detailed prints. It also has a special precision mode with a 0.2 mm nozzle for even finer details, making it great if you're working on smaller, more detailed parts. Moreover, the control features are simple too. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can manage the printer and check on prints from your phone using the Ankor Make app. It's easy for beginners to use, but also has what advanced users need. It's also versatile with materials. The all-metal hot end heats up to 300 degrees Celsius, so it handles a range of filaments like PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and even carbon fiber blends. And with the 49-point auto bed leveling, the setup is smooth, ensuring everything is properly aligned. Plus, the magnetic plate makes it easy to pop prints off when they're done. In my opinion, the Ankor M5C is a solid budget-friendly option with great features. While it does need Wi-Fi to connect to a PC, the fast, reliable printing and easy-to-use controls make it an excellent choice if you're looking for quality prints without a high price. Next up is the Adventurer 5M from Flashforge. If you're a beginner or even an experienced maker, this printer is a fantastic pick for creating high-quality, detailed prints. The Adventurer 5M has a Core XY design that lets it print faster without losing detail, making it great for creative projects. Its one-click leveling system makes setup easy because it automatically sets the right nozzle distance for a smooth, accurate first layer every time. Another feature I really like is the all-metal Core XY motion structure. This sounds fancy, but it just means the printer can run at high speed while still keeping everything steady and quiet. So you get quick prints without that annoying noise or losing any of the print quality. The quick detach nozzle is also very convenient. You can swap nozzles in seconds based on the detail or speed you need. It's beginner-friendly too. No tools required, just a quick switch, and you're all set. Plus, it has a handy resume feature that saves your work if the power goes out, and then picks up right where it left off when power returns, which is perfect for big projects. Also, the flexible PEI plate makes removing prints simple. Just bend it, and the print comes off easily. And the printer lets you manage everything remotely using the FlashMaker app and Orca Flashforge Slicer. You can monitor prints, send files, and adjust settings from anywhere. From my perspective, the app integration could be smoother, but the printer is reliable and packed with features that make 3D printing easy and enjoyable. On number 4, we have the Ender 3 V3 SE. This 3D printer is ideal if you're looking to get quality prints without a high price tag. This printer can print at speeds up to 250 mm per second, so it finishes projects much faster than many other models. You'll save a lot of time without losing the quality of your prints. Another great feature is the Sprite Direct Extruder, which is upgraded to handle different filament types like PLA, TPU, and PETG easily. This extruder smoothly feeds the filament into the printer, which helps avoid problems like clogs or skips. So, your prints come out looking clean and consistent every time. The printer also makes leveling simple with its CR Touch Auto Leveling. A sensor adjusts the print bed for you, so no manual work is needed. There's also a strain sensor to keep the Z-axis in line, giving you smoother prints. This is great if you're new to 3D printing and want to skip the hassle of leveling. Also, it's stable. It has 2 supports that stop any shaking, so your prints come out neat and don't move around. Plus, it's easy to set up. Most of it is already built, so you only need to do 3 quick steps, and you can start printing in about 20 minutes. Plus, it loads the printing material for you. Just press Extrude, and it feeds the filament in by itself. I think the Ender 3 V3 SE would be easier to use with a touchscreen, but it makes up for it with a great price, quick setup, and reliable performance. Next, we have the Elgu Mars 5 Ultra. It's perfect for making miniatures with lots of details, which is why it's popular among model makers. The Mars 5 Ultra has a sharp 9K screen that shows tiny details, so your prints look real and detailed, which is perfect for complex designs. It also prints fast, up to 150 mm per hour, and the tilt release feature makes it easy to remove prints smoothly without mistakes. What I really like is the AI camera, which works like an extra set of eyes. It keeps an eye on your prints in real time and catches issues like warps or an empty build plate before they become a problem. This way, you don't end up wasting time or resin on failed prints. The printer also has a sensor that detects any leftover resin to protect the screen, which is handy. Plus, it alerts you if the resin is running low or if there's a leveling issue, keeping things smooth and efficient. With Wi-Fi cluster printing, you can manage multiple printers from one device, which is great if you're tackling a big project or want to boost productivity. And the best part, the Mars 5 Ultra has automatic leveling and a self-check system. This means you don't have to mess with a complicated setup, just power it on and start printing, which is a huge plus for beginners and pros alike. I believe removing prints can be a bit tricky in the default setting, but the 9K resolution and fast speed make it a great budget choice for detailed prints. Last but not least, we have the Bamboo Lab A1 Mini, which is best for multicolor printing. What I really like about this printer is that it makes multicolor 3D printing easy for everyone. This printer has some fantastic features that enhance the 3D printing experience. It includes full auto calibration, which automatically adjusts settings like the Z offset, bed level, and nozzle pressure for each print. This makes achieving perfect results much easier and less stressful. Another great feature is 4-color printing with AMS light. This allows users to create vibrant, colorful designs easily. What I really like about this printer is the active flow rate compensation. It uses a special sensor to monitor the pressure in the nozzle and adjusts the flow as needed. This helps make your prints more accurate with less hassle. I also appreciate how the A1 Mini keeps noise down with its active motor noise canceling. It fine-tunes the motor settings to reduce unwanted sounds, making it perfect for use at home or in the office. Plus, it's super easy to set up. With its plug-and-play design, it arrives mostly ready to go, so you can print in about 20 minutes. And the high-speed precision is something I really appreciate. It can print at speeds up to 500 mm per second while still keeping great quality. While the AMS system is great for multi-color printing, it does take up some space, so keep that in mind if you're short on room. However, its speed and user-friendly interface make it well worth it. You got it. So that's it for the best budget 3D printers in the market for this year. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest videos.